Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen the Little Crafter. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. So today I'm going to be doing a plan with me in my Recollections weekly planner. I'm going to be using all of these stickers, and I'm going to be using the Sassy Planner Co. Halloween movie kits, scary movie Halloween kits. And so I left this part on because originally I wasn't going to do a voiceover, but then I said, let me do it. Anyway, so I'm going to be using Metal Hat Planners, rainbow icon YouTube stickers. I'm going to also be using the neutral laptop stickers from the Sticker Shop Co. Also, those are, what is that? Date dots from Rose Color Days. My apologies, guys. All right, so now I'm just going to be placing the numbers onto the onto the date covers, and yeah, so these are in silver. I decided to use the silver, and yeah, so that's about it. Also, I'm going to be using the silver headers from that sheet, the 2.0 sampler sheet from Rose Color Days, and I'm going to be putting down the washi. I did the flippity flip because I pulled the wrong washi, and I'm trying to get it straight as possible. And now I'm going to be adding the next strip, and of course can't get it on straight. What a surprise. So now I'm going to be putting on those date covers, and yeah, so I decided to put the girl on top, like, of course, yeah, straight as well on the sidebar. Try to use a trick that I learned from another particular YouTuber. It worked, and then later on everything didn't go well. So again, with the flippity flip, doing the rest of the week, and then I forgot to add the one because I am pre-planning for the week of Halloween. Yeah, I don't know, I just figured, why not? So I'm like, okay, I'm trying to think, what do I want to do? Those are okay. I don't know, I just didn't feel like using them. I like the kit, don't get me wrong. I don't know. Mid-planning, I decided to change everything up, and now I am looking for my black glitter headers, and then I don't know, I just wanted to do the roses and more black. And I did have a similar kit, and yeah, to this, which is from Savannah Paper Co., but she used different items. That is glitter headers from Savannah Paper Co., and so I'm going to be using the roses, and then I realized that that's not going to work, so I was like, oh, it's two different sizes. I don't know what days I'm going to be needing the bigger sizes, the smaller sizes, so I just ended up using the silver and the black, which is from Rose Color Days and Savannah Paper Co. You can also get glitter headers from Sassy Planner Co. as well, but I don't know where those went, so I just decided to use that instead. Oops, sorry, Tribot went a little crazy on me. So yeah, so good thing I bought two, because needed the second one. I was like, oh wait, let me double check, and then I was like, okay, well, maybe I may have to use a plan B. Yeah, so I was looking at my nails. I was like, ugh, they need to be repainted already because I messed up. What a sucker, right? Anyway, guys, so I hope that you have an awesome weekend. We did a little bit of a road trip trying to return some tires from my hubby, and I tell you guys, this trip was just brutal. It was only supposed to be an hour. It took longer than that because of traffic, and I'm going to be adding the habit trackers, and going to be using, see, this is what I mean, everything is crooked after this. I decided to use the rose headers and the black glitter on the sidebar, so the weekly trackers or weekly list, I don't know. And I decided to use a little balloon, and then I decided, oh wait, let me see what I mean. I tried This is a whole piece. I had to pick up those headers and then put them back down. I love that. Thought that was really cute. And what else am I going for? I think at this point oh yeah, weekend banner, since I'm already here. I'm like, okay, well, I need a 3 checklist for the weekends. And her weekend banner says weekend vibes. I thought it was small enough to put on the top, but then it's not. So I added it on the checklist. I am adding the work schedule, my hubby's work schedule, since it's there, and now I'm going to be kind of just placing the boxes at random on days that I really don't need a lot of room to write on, because this is a really cute kit. So that is how I'm going to be doing it. And now I'm going to be adding the check heartless box, and upsie, what a surprise, up again. So yeah, so I'm just going to be adding that, and then I'm going to be adding like the little icons that I need on the bottom on the days that I actually need them. As I struggle with this box once again, I'm going to do the flippity flip and add the, then I'm like, wait a minute, I don't need that much for Thursday, so let me add the last one, and Friday is not that bad. And then I needed a film sticker. So yeah, I am actually thinking about changing my blog days for writing my blog days on Thursday instead of Fridays, because I'll upload them Fridays. I can schedule them. I just realized that. I'm like, wait a minute, I can schedule these things. Like, duh, Eileen, use your brain. And then I'm like, wait a minute, I need to put the tracker someplace else. So I'm just going to be using these. I think these are quarter boxes, and now I'm going to be using what at this point. So yeah, so that trip was brutal. It was a lot of traffic, a lot of accidents, and so it was, so I am trying to figure out, oh yeah, school days. So these, I believe, are from Savannah Paper Co. I got some school day stickers from her, and then I also add some Sugar Pop Fizz on the top. I will have the link down below to my Instagram so that you guys can check it out when I finally post it up. And now I'm going to be adding some YouTube icons from Metal Hat Planner. She is going to be closed until January, and I can't wait for her to reopen. But I love her stickers. And then the taco stickers from Savannah Paper Co. So yeah, so, and that is from the kit as well. It said it's use it. Oh, there's a laptop sticker from, and the blog sticker from Savannah Paper Co. The laptop sticker is from the Sticker Co shop. Sorry, my apologies. Fixing up the tracker and the little icon for the YouTube. I normally update Monday and Wednesdays. And so yes, that's my whole spread. I hope that you guys have enjoyed it. Please subscribe and don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. And happy Halloween. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.